it got made on the streets. Welcome to the land where you never stay for free. Swag worth the meals,
I can't even see you.
He's fucking low riding, dog.
Wait.
What you want?
Look how you gotta put it in park.
Holy shit.
Look. Get close up of that. Now we're in park. You gotta put in reverse. You got reverse. You wanna go to drive? You gotta drive. You wanna put it in park? You're gonna park. This is the ultimate weight reduction.
Should I wait? Hold up. Should I check some stuff? It's telling me to see my manual.
Hold on.
Yeah?
This is the ultimate.
Yeah? You can say I did weight reduction.
Caleb. What's this off of?
I don't know.
Pretty sick, dude. We have a party back here. Oh! Fuck!
What? You sit on that?
Yeah. No, it doesn't feel good
That's
against your tailbone.
Guys,
You got ready.
bad news. I think my truck is fucked. My phone is telling me so.
It's empty. We're about 50, 60 of 550. So we're about to see what we're about to go through. It's been hell.
That's it.
And that's the last one,
That's 550 stars.
we think.
No, you tell them it's 550. God damn it.
It's
550. I swear. We think.
Okay, now just make sure, let's go around and make sure everything's glued.
Shut the fuck. Dude, I'm in.
Cocoa butter kisses.
I didn't know you could add a head massager to a Raptor.
Seriously.
Dang. Alright, ready?
No?
Go. When is it actually?
I don't know. I'm a slave.
12:26.
No, it's not.
11:10.
It's 11:10. Hey, we said we'd be done by 12. I don't think it's gonna happen.
12:30.
Definitely be like done. No, like 1.
Well, time to go to West Campus.
Yeah. By the time we get home, that's when we can call it done. When the headliner's not on fire.
If the headliner doesn't light itself on fire by the time we get home, we're done. Oh, this is difficult. This is gonna be hard.
I think it's good like that.
Yeah, this is probably fine. It'll fucking.
It's 11:11. Make a wish.
I wish Fredo wasn't gay.
Oh.
It's all in the details.
What'd you say?
Said you're gay.
Oops. What'd you hit?
Fuck you. Not a big deal.
Oh.
So we can't have nice things.
We don't have the right size. I need
No, you think you need.
These fucking cops, dude. Okay, let's put it in neutral.
It's in neutral.
Ready?
Wait, put the fucking camera down, Fredo.
Hey, no, I'm recording.
Push you out of the road?
Yeah. Yeah.
And can it go in neutral?
Yeah. I think it's in neutral right now.
Okay. I'm gonna push you out of the road.
Awesome. He's gonna push you
Just
with
keep it in neutral, and when I hit your bumper, just let off, and I'm gonna push you over there.
Okay. Where the fuck should I
I'm
go?
guessing go right here.
Go right. Thank you.
you, man. Yes, sir. Thank you. It's your diff that blew. Put it in park.
Hey. The Beamer, I turned the pop up and it blew the diff.
Can we get a demonstration of what's going on?
No, because then it's going to take me an hour to put it back in fucking park. I don't want to do that.
So basically, when he puts the car in park, it just rolls back.
Is there music playing?
Yeah, in your car. And when he puts it in drive, the car just crackles. It sounds like a blender.
Hey, it's looking pretty cute though. Fuck BMW.
Just turn it hard, turn it hard. Without some beamers.
Piece of shit. I drive on that. But my motor blew.
No, it didn't.
Oh shit, no it didn't.
Don't forget that heat.